Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you some clips of the remodel that is going on in my small bathroom. Here guys, this is the before picture before the demolition. Yes guys, I am getting rid of everything in this bathroom. Yes, everything. So guys, stay tuned. Hello and welcome to Beautiful Creations. Okay guys, you can see here that it is gutted out guys. Yes, all of the walls are gone in this bathroom guys. Look guys. Yes, it is gone. So guys, he has a lot of work to do in here, and you will see in the clips the different things that he went through to get this bathroom back. So I want you to watch this video, and I will be coming in and out of this video just showing you different things that is happening in the bathroom. Here you can see all of the gut out. This is where the he has, in this clip, started to put the tub and everything in, and some of the walls, as you can see here. This tub, but before he do that, he has to put new lines and everything into the shower. So guys, yes, he had to put new lines into the shower. So this is where he hasn't put the walls up here yet, but we just want a feature of things of what's going on in the bathroom so far, because a lot of things he had to remove out and replace for as the lines. So guys, look how it is coming along guys. Yes. So in this video, I had my husband taping this because I was at work. But here I had him move this socket that was underneath the light switch over closer to the corner. And as you can see too guys, all of my hardware in this bathroom will be matte black. I love it. Look at how that beautiful matte black matches up with this white. And also dealing with the floors is that porcelain tile guys. It is in a white with gray streaks. It is so very beautiful. And now what is left for him to do here is guys, he has to put all the trim up. Here you will see later in the video, right here you see that he put the new light switch in, and he moved the outlet near the corner. And here you see that is going to be the light that I am putting in this bathroom. I just wanted to give you a little clip of how it will look in that space. Yes, it is so beautiful guys. And all of this black mat, he even did the ceiling guys. You will also see the work of that with the ceiling, and the he has to finish up the trim and everything and put the vanity in. And what you will see in the video that I do have the vanity in already. You will see in this clip that the vanity is already up, and I also have to get, I think it's one black knob on the vanity that he has to place on that. But look guys, It is coming together so beautiful, guys. And the color that I am going to do the wall is it's going to be a beautiful grayish. It's like the grayish in the porcelain tile. So here, this is where I'm showing you that he smoothed out the ceiling and put a new fan up there, and it will be a new vent cover as well. So guys, look at this beautiful vanity. With this vanity here, guys, yes, with this vanity, and you can see how beautiful the porcelain tile is, guys. Yes. So I will be getting back to the vanity, but look how beautiful that black mat is with that white. That is so gorgeous, guys. I love it. I really love this. This is so beautiful. But you can also see that I changed out the knobs on here, and I got those also in matte black as well. And I have one more he has one more to put on the clothes cabinet. So guys, yes, this is the start of part 1 of the remodel. And guys, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do so by hitting that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell so you will know when I am uploading new content, guys. And guys, it will be a part 2 to this video where I will be showing you guys the final of the painting that is getting ready to go on in the bathroom, and all of the decor that I have to place in this bathroom. This is going to be a beautiful, small bathroom, but cozy as well. So guys, and the reason why I chosen lighter colors by this bathroom being small, you always want to use a brighter color in order to make the bathroom look more spacious. So guys, until the next video, guys, be good or be good at it. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye now. Enjoy.